All right, so this is some tri-tip, okay? Just came out of the oven just right now, and it's perfectly done with a little bit of pink in it. About to chop it up. So good. Yeah, slice and dice real quick. Oh my god. Oh, this thing's so juicy. Well, let's see. Wow. Let's look at that. To perfection. Okay. Wow. Wow, I need to- Oh yeah. I'm gonna cut it. Got some big slices and got some little slices because my kids, you know, they like them little itty bitty slices. Okay. I almost overcooked it. Got stuck on the phone. And I forgot to check the meat, but it's good. All right. Tri-tip with a little bit of fat. So good. All right. That part gone. Well, my kids, they kind of like some of it cooked, like well done a little bit, you know. They don't really like the little bloody stuff like we do, like us old folks do. Okay. And I forgot to make something. All right, so let's taste one. It's a little taste test. Mmm, delicious. So much flavor. Nice and juicy. Flavor is just savoring in my mouth. Oh my god. Oh shit. Yeah, don't cut yourself. Alright. So, should probably cool down by now where I can touch it. Here we go. Oh yeah. It just flew. Cheers. Born in the Rockies, 1978. You don't need to make that much, Devin. Just enough. I don't want rice to be, you know. Let's fly over the meat.